So if you wanted to say well done or good on you, you could say mahu. Mahu. Ma shiv fein means good on you, as in more than one person. Ma shiv fein. Mahan buchel means good boy, and mahan far means good man. Cohordicus means congratulations. Cohordicus. Credum go will cohordicus eg dul dit. I believe congratulations are in order. Credum go will cohordicus eg dul dit. Cohordicus lesh an mert agwiv. Congratulations to you both. Cohordicus lesh an mert agwiv. Anna echt atá ann. A great achievement. Anna echt atá ann. Is úntach an gaisce é. It's a wonderful achievement. Is úntach an gaisce é. Tá echt déanta agat. You've achieved something great. Tá echt déanta agat. Tá sé seo go háling. This is lovely. Tá sé seo go háling. Bhí anna lá aguain cos farige. We had a great day by the sea. Bhí anna lá aguain cos farige. Bhí dinner even aguain. We had a delightful dinner. Bhí dinner even aguain. Vinnimer anna tanav as. We'd a lovely time. Vinnimer anna tanav as. Bhí anna chrack aguain ag shoppadóracht. We had great fun shopping. Bhí anna chrack aguain ag shoppadóracht. Nach alling na dini iad. Aren't they lovely people? Nach alling na dini iad. Tá cuma harave alling art. You look incredibly beautiful. Tá cuma harave alling art. Tá cuma úntach ar. It looks great. Tá cuma úntach ar. Tá cuma anna ásta suas art anish. You look so mature now, or you look so grown up now. Tá cuma anna ásta suas art anish. Tá cuma galanta art. That's another way of saying you look beautiful. Tá cuma galanta art. Tá tú ag féchant go húntach. You are looking beautiful. Tá tú ag féchant go húntach. Tá sé sin cho húntach. That's so fabulous. Tá sé sin cho húntach. Tá cuasaí ag feabhsú. Things are